Okay, so right now we are going to do a treatment for your throat problems because you have trouble swallowing. You have a lot of anxiety around swallowing. Stuff gets stuck. It's panicky, nerve wracking. You're throwing up because of it. It's taking up an hour and a half or more of your day every time you try to eat something solid. It's crazy. And Louise Hay says that throat problems are typically stemmed from a couple of probable causes. And those are the inability to speak up for yourself, swallowed anger, stifled creativity, and refusal to change. And so what she says is that the new thought pattern that will help to release all of that toxicity, release that stuckness, is it's okay to make noise. I express myself freely and joyously. I speak up for myself with ease. I express my creativity. I am willing to change. Okay?
Okay.
So let's go through this. Tap on these things, tap on these topics, and see if we can't get some relief in that regard. Okay? So go ahead and tap on your karate chop spot. And breathe in through your nose nice and deep and hold it at the top. And let it out through your mouth. Uncross your legs if they happen to be crossed. And take another deep breath in and hold it. And let it out. Even though I have these horrible throat problems.
Even though I have these horrible throat problems.
Food gets stuck in my throat.
Food gets stuck in my throat.
And I feel like I'm going to choke.
And I feel like I'm going to choke.
Sometimes I even throw up.
Sometimes I even throw up.
It's horrible.
Horrible.
Despite all of this.
Despite all of this.
I choose to relax.
I choose to relax.
And breathe.
And breathe.
And love and accept myself.
And love and accept myself.
Just as I am.
Just as I am.
Even though sometimes I don't speak up for myself.
Even though sometimes I don't speak up for myself.
Really, it's often I don't speak up for myself.
Really, it's often I don't speak up for myself.
Because I don't want to be selfish.
Because I don't want to be selfish.
And sometimes I feel like I'm not worth it.
And sometimes I feel like I'm not worth it.
I choose to relax.
I choose to relax.
And breathe.
And breathe.
And speak up for myself.
And speak up for myself.
Freely and joyously.
Freely and joyously.
Joyously.
Joyous.
Even though sometimes I swallow my anger.
Even though sometimes I swallow my anger.
It's unconscious.
It's unconscious.
Subconscious.
Subconscious.
I'm not always aware of it.
I'm not always aware of it.
But I stuff it.
I stuff it.
And it gets stuck in my throat.
And it gets stuck in my throat.
I choose to relax.
I choose to relax.
And breathe.
And breathe.
And give myself permission.
And give myself permission.
To speak freely.
To speak freely.
To make noise.
To make noise.
To express myself.
To express myself.
And even though sometimes
my
anxiety gets the best of me.
My anxiety gets the best of me.
And it keeps me from doing things.
And it keeps me from doing things.
That I really want to do.
That I really want to do.
Like creative endeavors.
Like creative endeavors.
Exciting endeavors.
Exciting endeavors.
Things that would really fulfill me.
Things that would really fulfill me.
But instead.
Sometimes
I stifle my creativity.
Sometimes I stifle my creativity.
And it gets stuck in my throat.
And it gets stuck in my throat.
I choose
I choose
to relax
and
breathe
breathe
and truly love and accept myself.
and truly love and accept myself.
Expressing my creativity peacefully, joyfully, with ease. Now go through the points and just follow me. Things get stuck in my throat. It's really scary
It's very scary
and frustrating. Just
and
go through. Yeah. And sad and irritating. And I feel anxious before I eat things. And when it gets stuck, I get panicky. Because I think I'm going to choke. That's what it feels like. It gets stuck in my throat. And I feel like that's connected to my inability to speak up for myself when I'm nervous, when I'm anxious, when I don't want to make waves. And I also feel like it's connected to me swallowing anger and not expressing it, stuffing it, and it gets stuck. I don't always speak up for myself like I could. I don't always process my anger in a healthy way. Sometimes it's even subconscious and unconscious. I'm not even aware of it. I just quickly stuff it. And it gets stuck in my throat. Despite all of this, I choose to relax and breathe and love and accept myself just as I am. I give myself permission to make noise, to speak my mind, to express myself peacefully, easily, freely, and joyously. And I choose to center myself and balance myself and express my creativity peacefully, easily, joyfully. It's safe to express my creativity. It's even good to express my creativity. Sometimes I think it might be selfish for me to express my creativity and try out new things and do things for myself that feel productive, like I'm doing something in the world. Because I'm supposed to take care of the kids. They need me. And if I do something for myself, then I'm taking it away from them. I'm taking my time and energy away from them. But maybe If I learn and give myself permission to express my creativity in ways that feel fulfilling to me, then maybe I can relax and breathe and be an even better person,
an even better person,
an even better mom, even more balanced. And then maybe I'll be able to swallow peacefully and easily. And things won't get so stuck because I'll be expressing myself in a healthy way, in a loving way, in a peaceful way, in the flow.
In the what?
In the flow of life. And so it is. Open up your palms and take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it out. And take another deep breath in and hold it. And let it out. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And go ahead and open your eyes.